I hope you are doing well. I'm Engineer Edson Bundala, a hydraulic design engineer. Yeah, on the previous video, I demonstrated on how to create a water distribution network in the WaterGEMS software. And also, we managed to check the results of that model. But before proceeding to the next tutorial of today, let me show you how to check the results on the junction, which I didn't cover it on the previous video. Yes, let us go here together. How do we check the results on junction? Look here, go to flex table, home, then go to flex table here, click here, flex table, then go to junctions here, click junction. Okay, on junctions, these are the results. Elevation, we have demand, hydraulic grade, and the pressure. Okay, on the pressure here, it is in kPa units. Okay, but for me and you, I prefer to show you pressure in meter. Okay, meter of water. How do we do that? Go with me here. Okay, check here. I'm at the pressure. Okay, right click. Okay, you see, go to units and the format, click this one, you see, then go to unit. Do you see here kPa? Now we want to change this one to meter of water. Okay, click here, you see. Now look here or check here whether there is meter. Okay, it is here, but you see the units, there is many units, different units. Okay, but for me, for this tutorial, I want to show you this one. Select meter of water. Okay, then click OK. You see, it has changed here to 11 meter, 45 meter, 28 meter. Now you can check your pressure on this junction on this way by meter unit. You see here, meter here. I hope you understand. Okay, thank you. Let's now go to the today's topic. Our today's topic, it is how do we insert annotation in this hydraulic model. Okay, now we are going to learn how to insert annotation in our model. You might be asking yourself, what is annotation? Okay, annotation is nothing but is a note, okay, or extra information associated with a particular point. For our case, in this model, we have pipes, we have junctions and a reservoir. Okay, these are different points. I can say points. Okay, so we can attach a note, some of description on these points. Okay, for example, on a pipe, we can put a note about the length. Okay, on this, for example, this pipe 1, how long it is. Okay, we can put here length is equal to something. Okay, also pipe 2, we can put here length, how long is it, we can put its length here. Okay, the same as on pipe 3. Okay, also on reservoir, we can put a note here, okay, that our reservoir, it is at what altitude. So we can put here elevation of this reservoir, okay. Also on junctions, okay, J1, J2, J3, you can tell me it's junction, or you can tell me it's node 1, node 2, node 3. It's the same, okay. So on these junctions we can put a note, okay. What note? We can put here elevation of this node, elevation of this node 2, elevation of this node 3, okay. Also we can put a note of pressure, okay, pressure at this node 1, pressure of this node 2, pressure of this node 3. That is a note, okay. So putting of these notes or extra information or description on this model, we term it, we say annotation, okay. So when you hear annotation, it means giving some extra information or description to the particular point, okay. Now for example, for pipes, we can put a note of length, a dia means diameter, material of this pipe, okay, and also flow of this pipe, okay, how much flow is passing through this pipe, through this pipe, through this pipe. Also we can put a flow passing through each of these pipe, even velocity, okay. Also we can put a note of velocity through this pipe 1, how much velocity is passing here, okay, how much velocity is passing here. Also in pipe 3 we can put a note of velocity, okay. That is what I can explain to you about the annotation, okay. Now let we go together on how to insert this annotation to our hydraulic model, okay. We start by reservoir, okay. Reservoir, check here, go to this tab called element symbology, this one side, okay, on your left hand side, okay. On reservoir here, click reservoir, okay, then right click, okay, go to new, okay, go to annotation, okay. I hope we are together. Can I repeat? Okay, let me repeat, okay. Go to reservoir, right click, go to new, annotation, click annotation, click, okay. Do you see here? Now on reservoir we want to put the elevation, okay. Let me select here elevation, okay. Scroll here, check for elevation, okay, it is here, okay. Prefix means just abbreviation. Let me select this elevation, okay, is equal, okay. I typed here elevation is equal to, then it will pick elevation of this node here, okay. Do you see initial offset 0 0, okay, and also height multiplier here. You can put any value to multiply your height of the text on that annotation. Let's go together here, okay. Let's click here apply and look how it is, okay. You see now there is elevation of 124.00 meter, okay. What are this elevation? Do you remember we put this elevation on previous video, okay. Now here, because of offset is 0 0, it means it will be attached at the center of this reservoir, okay. Now let offset, okay, offset on x, offset on y, vertical, horizontal, okay. Now I want this one to shift down, okay, to be here, okay. It means on the y axis, okay, there is positive value and negative values. Let me drop this one to negative values, okay. It means here y, my y, let me type negative 3, click apply, you see, okay. And then let me take this annotation to left again. It means on opposite side, negative side of the x. Okay, let's put negative 2. Okay, click apply. You see? Okay, let's accept this one. Let's click OK. Okay, that is annotation on reservoir. It means this reservoir, its elevation is this one. Okay, let me go to pipe. Okay, on the pipe here, the same. Look here, go to element symbology, click pipe. Okay, right click. Okay, go to new, go to annotation, click here. Okay, on the pipe we want to attach diameter, length, material, flow, and the velocity. Okay, for this tutorial, let me show you how to attach length and the diameter, but it is the same process. Okay, procedure to attach velocity, to attach flow. You can do by yourself as a practice. Okay, for me here, this demonstration, let me show for only length and the diameter, just a demo. Okay, click here. Okay, go to length. Okay, 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 length. Okay, here type arrow. Okay, let me drag this so as I can see how it is located. Okay, you see, let me put here on y-axis, let me put -3. Okay, let's drag it also up to here, click apply, and see how it is. Okay, it is at the center of the lines. No, drop again, -5. Okay, apply. It's not okay, is it? Okay, click here, negative. No, let's say +1, y -3. Click apply. You see, that is the length. Okay, click OK. Okay, again go to pipe for putting the diameter annotation. Go to annotation, click here, go to diameter, this one D. Okay, put here D is equal to. Okay, let's drag it here and see how it is locating. Okay, I want to put down of this. Okay, the same 1 offset by -4. Click apply. No, it's not good. -5. Apply. Okay, then click OK. You see, this is how to put annotation on length on pipes. Okay, so we have put annotation on length, about the length and its diameter. Okay, but you can do the same for if you want to put flow, you want to put velocity. You can see also here what velocity is passing through each of these pipe. Okay, that I leave it to you as a practice to you, so as you can gain more practice and experience on how to do these things. So my task to you, you have to add the velocity, you have to add the flow on your model, so as when you do hands-on for yourself, you gain more. I hope you will do it for yourself. Thank you for understanding. Okay, let's go to junction. Okay, the same with junction, right click, new, annotation. Okay, click here. On junctions, we want to put pressure. Okay, we want to see how much pressure is at each of these junctions. Okay, go to pressure. pressure, this one. Okay, type here P. Okay, P is equal to, now also drag here and see how it is locating. Okay, put here -2 and then put here -2 and see how it is. Okay, is it okay? Not okay. Drop again down, -3, apply. Is it okay? Yeah, some okay. Okay, click OK. Do you see? These are place of this junction on this our model. Okay, this is how do we put annotation on hydraulic model like ours here. Okay, I hope you understand how to insert annotation on the hydraulic model in a WaterGEMS software. It is very simple, very easy, just a matter of single click or just a matter of understanding the procedure as what we did here together. I hope you have understand how to do it. Okay, I think for today it is enough, but I have something to you. Let me share with you. Yeah, I received many calls, many text messages, emails, okay, from my subscribers. So one of the questions which I got from one of my friend, he was asking me about is it possible to draw a bend in WaterGEMS, not like a straight line like a ruler. Okay, I said to him, yes, it is possible. You can draw a bend of any kind of angle. Okay, it is possible, not like a matter of drawing just a straight line like this one. You put a straight line. No, it is possible to put a bend, and that is very, very easy. Okay, let me show here. See here. Okay, click line, go to layout. Okay, click pipe. Okay, click here. Okay, that is the pipe. Okay, so I want to rotate to go in this way, like arc up to somewhere here. Okay, is it possible? Check here, very easy. Go with me, right click. Okay, do you see? Do you all see all this? Very, very interesting thing for this WaterGEMS. WaterGEMS is a very, very good tool. Do you see? Now go to bend, click bend. Do you see this one? Click bend. Okay, then you can follow your route. How is it? Okay, click, 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 click. Okay, and here I want to put tank. Okay, right click, pick tank, put tank. Okay, right click, click done. Okay, again right click, click done to close the command. Do you see? You have put a bend in this way. Okay, but it is a one line. Okay, one pipe with this kind of shape or meander of this kind. Okay, it is very, very easy, very simple in WaterGEMS. Okay, so friends, let me share with you something which is a good thing to you here. Okay, as I have said to you that I received many calls, many text, okay, emails regarding the topic of hydraulic design. Okay, one of the question was bend. How do we put bend in WaterGEMS? As I have showed you, it is very easy. Okay, now it comes to another question. People asked me that Sir, is it possible to set control in a pump, on a pump? Okay, the answer is yes. You can set controls. How is it? What is controls? For those who don't know what is control, okay, when you say controls, we means we put some criteria or limits on the tank. We link between tank and the pump. Okay, so we put kind of logical setting. So we set some kind of logic that if our tank decrease volume to a certain level, okay, we set that this pump on our model or on our network, it should start to fill the pump, to fill the tank. It should start pumping the water to the tank. Okay. Also, if the tank raise its volume to a certain height, which we have said that this is a maximum, okay, the pump should shut down. It should stop pumping. Okay, it is stop. Then we utilize that water again until it fall down. Then we allow the pump to start pumping again. Okay, that is control. So it is possible and very easy to set control by using this WaterGEMS software. Okay, that's the second thing. The third thing, also people ask me, it is about the EPS. Okay, what is EPS? EPS means extended period of simulation. Extended period simulation. Okay, they asked me that, sir, how to perform EPS? What are the inputs for EPS? Okay, I said there are many inputs to use for EPS analysis. Okay, that's that one. Okay, again, the next question, it was about sir, what is the difference between EPS and the steady state? Okay, I said to them, yeah, there is a difference between steady state and the EPS. Okay, what is it? I will do here the tutorial on these topics, so as you will understand what is the difference between these two terms, EPS and the steady state simulation. Okay, another question people ask me that, sir, is it possible to import network from external source? Okay, the answer is yes. In WaterGEMS, you can import different source data. Okay, you can use shapefile, SR shapefiles. You can use AutoCAD. You can use Excel, spreadsheet, and others. There are many. Okay, how do we do that? I will explain to you as time goes in this channel. Okay, the next next question is about they asked me that they said, okay, sir, is it possible to display animation of the results of EPS, like pressure, flow, to see the fluctuation within a specified time period? I said yes. Okay, the answer is yes. You can do animation. You can simulate your EPS model to see how pressure, how velocity, how flow fluctuates or varies in the hydraulic model, and you can visualize it easily in WaterGEMS. The answer is yes, you can do that one. But how to do it? It needs some steps to do that kind of analysis of EPS, and again coming up to the producing or to get that video for animation. You can get a video, some kind of video, you can play it and you can see how your model behaves. Okay, you can see the behavior of your model after doing simulation. Okay, this is very interesting using this software, so as you can get to visualize your network and understanding the behavior of the network in a very situation, okay, before going to implement on site. Okay, so my friend, my advice to you, we know that learning is a staircase, as it is as a stair. Okay, you start from the scratch, you start learning next by step, next. Okay, so you go stepwise. So learning, it's not just running or just jumping step to another next step. No, you should follow the steps. You should learn stepwise. You start from the scratch, you know the basics, you go to the intermediate level, you go to the advanced level. So as you see here, I have showed you here this kind of stairs. Okay, you start from the general awareness. You get awareness. How do we use WaterGEM? What are the inputs in WaterGEM? What are the panels? What are the ribbons which I can use? You get aware. How do WaterGEM do? Okay, how its capability, what and what it can do. Okay, you get aware. Like here, I have introduced you to the software. You know it, that WaterGEM is very powerful software, very powerful tool to use in doing hydraulic analysis, okay, of water distribution network. So you are aware about that software. There are many softwares, okay, but for this tutorial, I'm explaining to you about WaterGEM because I have studied it since yesterday or previous video explaining on WaterGEM. So you get aware about that one. So you create awareness, you start learning. So this is the stepwise on how to learn things. Okay, so my friends, I advise you just search for the right center, right person who can teach you this kind of things, okay, professionally. Okay, do things in professional way. Okay, if you understand the basics, after understanding the basics, then you grow slowly until you be an expert. Okay, or you reach the level of being an expert in the field. Okay, so please find the right person, find the right center where you can get any assistance or help to learn these things. Okay, I welcome you. If you have any questions, you need online courses, you have a work, you need freelance work, you can contact me. I can do your job and send your results so as you can proceed with next step. Okay, if you need training, I'm ready to train you. I'm ready to teach you how to use this one, how things are done, how others internationally, what are they doing there using this one. So you can explore this software. We can use this software together so as you become a hydraulic engineer expert. Okay, so you can do a job anywhere. Okay, not in smaller context. You can go even to the other place, we can say abroad or outside of your country. Not only you can be bothered in your area. No, you can go to even to other places, because on other side or other countries they are using softwares like this one. Okay, if they ask you have experience or do you know this software, you can say yes, I have experience on this. They can give you a task, they can give an interview, they can give even a software to demonstrate how to do something. Okay, how do we put annotation, how do we simulate EPS, okay, how do we animate. Okay, so that kind of things, you need to be well prepared, well equipped to get a chance or to get an opportunity to work with them. Okay, so my friends, for today, let me end here. I hope you have enjoyed, and I hope this video is helpful for you. We will meet in the next time. Bye.